Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you guys are here. I am so excited to share today's video with you guys. We are going to be doing some little DIY projects and turning the living room from this into this. I can't wait to share it with you guys. We did some really little projects that made a huge difference, and it just goes to show what little projects and little money you can spend can do. Like, it really can change the space so much. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot of big projects we want to do in this fixer-upper of a home, but we're starting with little and just trying to make the house more cozy, especially for the holiday season coming up. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay friends, we are going to start off with some projects before we get into the decorating. So if you are here specifically for the fall decorating, hop on over to about 7 minutes in and that will bring you to the fall decor. But I painted this living room, before all these projects in the color Agreeable Gray. So I didn't show that in this video, I showed it in prior videos. So now that it was all painted, I bought these blinds and these curtain rods from Amazon. I will link it all down below, and I was having my husband install them for me because that is just not my cup of tea. But let me tell you, I love these things.
Mama,
Cheat! They changed the look of the living room so much. Like, such a simple thing changed the whole look so much. But anyways, for the curtains, I took these drop cloths that my mom already had, so I didn't have to spend anything on these ones, but I'm gonna need to throughout the rest of the downstairs of the house. But anyways, I just folded over the top about a foot, and then I took these little clips that, again, I will link down below. I got everything from Amazon, and I just clipped them on about every 3 inches, and that is the most simple way ever to make yourself some DIY drop cloths. It was very affordable, and it looks so nice. I love them so much, like genuinely so happy with the way it came out, and it took a total of like 5 minutes to do this for each curtain. And then if you end up having to cut the bottoms for length or anything like that, all you have to do is fold it underneath and use some fabric glue and glue it, and you will not have a seam. It will look seamless, perfect, like you bought it from the store. The most simple, easy DIY. That's what I'm all about. If you guys don't know me by now, simple, easy DIYs is about the only kind of DIYing I do. So
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like
go back to that before and just tell me that this little piece right here didn't just completely change the room. Anyways, now we are moving on to the next project, which is redoing this fireplace. So my mom had this fireplace outside on the porch, and I was like, this will be the perfect thing to bring inside to the living room for our new TV stand / mantle. If you guys don't know, I'm saying my mom had all this stuff because my mom had given us my childhood home, and now she lives with us, and so as we were filtering out a lot of her stuff, there was some stuff that I kept as well. I just went ahead with some TSP and cleaned the fireplace, and then I started to spray it with the spray that's supposed to take the stain off, and my bottle was not working. The spray knob just stopped, nothing was coming out, and it literally just made it all such a mess. So you guys can see it's taking some of it off here, but it left this really waxy finish that was truly such a pain in the butt to sand down, because I had to I would sand it, and the wax would move and kind of melt into the wood even more. So then I had to sand 10 times the amount that I would have had to sand if I just sanded. So next time I will be just sanding, not trying to use no spray that's supposed to make your life easier, because it did not make my life easier. But then again, I am not a furniture makeover person. This is just a one-time thing. I think the last thing I redid was my hutch 4 years ago. So Anyways, I just went ahead and sanded the whole thing. I really roughly sanded the sides because it was just such a pain in the butt that I got over it. And then I'm using this Rust-Oleum linen white chalk paint, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the wood other than the top part. I'm leaving the top plain.
On me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is.
So for the brick, I knew I wanted to do like a whitewash, so I just watered down the chalk paint and went ahead all over the brick with the watered down paint, and it gave it like the perfect look that I was looking for.
And open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
As for the top of the fireplace, I am just using some polyurethane and giving it a little bit of a clear coat.
I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel.
Now that this bad boy is done, it took me about 3 days total with kids. Let's bring it inside. So here it is set up with the TV on it, and I love it. If you watched one of my more recent videos, I did a DIY fireplace insert. So that gold screen is no longer there, and now I have a really pretty like wood, it looks like, you know, like wood log backdrop in there. I really like it. But anyways, on this side of the TV, I'm just layering a mirror with this old chair and a little stand and a Target flower, and then I am adding my lighted fall leaves garland because I will forever add that. I don't care how tacky it is, I'm all about it. And now I'm just decorating the fireplace. So this was fun and exciting. I have never had a mantle to decorate before. And I'm just using some pieces that, again, were mostly my mom's. I think other than the pumpkin is the only thing that was mine. And I end up switching it around. Time to doctor these up, which you'll see here in a bit, but I had these faux leaves from Hobby Lobby I got a couple years ago, and they were just too bright and vibrant for me and the look I was going for, so I just took some brown spray paint and muted those leaves. Such an easy, cheap way to change things up. Also, let me say I am really wanting to switch up this ladder, but I'm working hard on using what I have for now and not going out and like buying all new stuff because we're doing a lot of projects and stuff as well. So for now, the ladder is staying, but I do really want to change it up in the future. I was feeling like the two sides was not flowing together very well because that side's just so burgundy over there. So an easy little switch, I just switched around the sides that these were on and then switched the wreath that was under this pumpkin for this burgundy one.
Still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing.
It's funny because I filmed this video quite a while ago now, like when school first started, so the beginning of September or so, and so much has changed. Like the firewood insert, this table I no longer have. We got new couches. We got rid of the side table, the coffee table. All the main furniture, really, other than like the TV furniture, has changed. But I do love this little centerpiece, and I actually have it on my new side table now. I love having a place to hide my remotes like this, and I just think it looks so like elegant and pretty when all the candles are lit.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me.
Again, this table is no longer here, but what I'm showing you guys in the video is just me switching out the florals I already had in there for an amber glass jar with some fall florals, and then also adding a wax melt. This one is the salted caramel butter pecan, I think it said. I think from Walmart. They all smell good though.
Leave me breathless, breathless.
knew as soon as we moved into this house, I wanted our couch to go right here so that I could have an entryway sofa table. I've always wanted one, and now that I finally live in a house where I can have one, I knew that this is what I was going to do. So I do want to, in the future, again, get a different table actually to go here, because this table is actually a desk that was, again, my mom's, and I just made use for it for now. But I would like to get a longer table here in the future. But I just decorated this with some old books, some amber glass vases and candle holders, and kept it very simple. But again, I feel like it looks very elegant for the space.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
The one thing that I personally think makes your decor feel the most cozy is switching out your throw pillows. I don't know what it is, but going to, like, you know, the rust colored fall pillows, then for Christmas, like those deep green pillows, it really just makes such a difference in my opinion. I don't know. As soon as I bring out the holiday pillows or the fall pillows or whatever season it is pillows, I just feel so like comfy and cozy in the living room. I don't know what it is. Let me know what you guys think is like the main piece of decor that you need to have out when you're putting out your decor. For me, it's definitely throw pillows, and I will splurge on throw pillows because I love them. Even though my kids throw them all around and they get ruined almost by the end of every year, I love them so much. But anyways, that is actually it for today's video. I honestly thought this video was going to be so much longer than it is. Here is how the living room came out. I am really happy with it. Like I said, we have now gotten new furniture, so now I like it even more than what it looks like in this video. But I am really happy with the way it came out from just these simple changes. Again, we do, of course, have big plans that we want to do in the future, but for now, we are just working on making things comfy and cozy with simple changes. And then, you know, we have a whole lifetime to make this house what we want. So, you know, starting small, but I'm so excited to share it with you guys all in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.